Yeah, very nice engraved. This is engraved. At the back of our watch is this one, Okeanos. Okay guys, for today's video, I'm gonna unbox this watch. This is a Filippo Loreti, and this is an Italian design, and it was shipped from Germany. Okay, so let's start open this watch. I'm not sure which model of Filippo Loreti it was, so let's open and find out. Okay, so this is the outer carton, and we have this welcome note. You are awesome. Hey, we just wanted to thank you for your patience and support during this time. Enjoy your new watch. Yours sincerely, Filippo Loreti team. So very nice, no, that you have this welcome note from the manufacturer of the watch. Anyway, as we move forward, this is our another carton, and this is only a sleeve here, additional protection for our beautiful box here. Very elegant box, as you can see here. Filippo Loreti Okeanos. So I don't know how you pronounce this one, but for me, I read it as Okeanos. Okeanos. It sounds like Chinese, huh? Okeanos. Okay. Very elegant box. It's like a matte finish. Matte. How do you spell matte? Matte finish. And here you can see the Filippo Loreti website, filippoloreti.com. And that's it, Filippo Loreti Okeanos. Okay, and gonna open this box now to see what's inside. But another glimpse of this beautiful box. Very nice, isn't it? I hope guys you do like this watch, and if you do like this watch, you must buy one at their website. So I hope you will receive it in good condition, huh? And are you ready guys? In count of 3. 1, 2, 3. In count of 3, I will continue to 5, 4, 5. Bravo. So inside is our beautiful watch, green watch here. This is our Filippo Loreti Okeanos. And I will put the box here, and I will remove the watch from its foam slowly, because you know. Okay, lovely watch. Okay, beautiful watch here. Okay, perfecto. And I will zoom it later. I will remove it from the foam. And very nice guys. Okay guys, so this is our watch. This is a stainless steel bracelet. It's heavy. I love this watch because it looks elegant. So later I will try it on my hand. But here you have a nice dial here, and this one is turning also. This is bezel, and yeah, this is bezel. Okay, I will just turn this to 12 o'clock position again. I just want to show you. Okay, so here Here is the crown to adjust our time. Okay guys, so here you can see our crown here. This is made to order watch guys. So if you order one, they will just create one for you that time. So very nice. As you can see at the back, you can see Okeanos here. It's engraved. Yeah, Okeanos is not happy because he's still looking for his owner. I hope you're the one who will own this watch sooner or later. I don't know. Yeah, very nice engraved. This is engraved. At the back of our watch is this one, Okeanos. And the bracelet, you can remove it like this. It's like a quick release here. Here you have two pins. You will push it inward, both together, and you can remove the bracelet. Okay, as you can see here. Is it clear? I hope it's clear. I hope so. Okay, and then both sides the same. You have two pin here. If you push it inward together, you can remove the bracelet. So this is our buckle here. This is our beautiful buckle here with engraved Filippo Loreti. Okay, so this is the buckle, and here you can see also their logo here, Filippo Loreti. Very beautiful. Here is the release for the buckle. You just push this one. It's very common guys. It's already locked, and then to release, only push this buckle and then it will release. It's common to all of the modern watches today. Okay, so the good thing on this watch is this watch have 10-year warranty, manufacturer warranty. Okay guys, I will try this later. I will show you what we have here for extension of our bracelet. Here we have this how many? 4. So if you have big hands, you can adjust this bracelet for bigger circumference. And we have this wipe cloth, but here we have this glass protector here. This is plastic, so you will remove this before flight. No, just kidding. You will remove this before you wear this and go outside with your friends for sure. And what do we have here? Okay, we have here the instruction. It's the bottom. It's on the bottom actually. I will get this one, and then okay guys, this is the instruction card. So before using this watch, make sure you read this instruction. Otherwise, I don't know what's gonna happen. Anyway, this is Okeanos Quartz series. So pull out the crown until the first click to adjust the time. Turn the crown to set the correct time. Push the crown back to the default position. So this is basic watch from Filippo Loreti. So the crown is only to adjust the time. Only single click, pull single click, and then adjust the time, like standard watches, no? Anyway, I will return this one here, and then guys, I will try to wear the watch just for you to see how it looks like on my hand. Okay guys, so it looks I need to adjust this watch if I'm gonna use this watch because it's very big circumference. See, it's loose. So this is how it looks like on my hand. It look like mechanical on the house. Okay, very nice. Okay, if you think this is a nice watch, press 2. If you think this is a free watch, press 3. Anyway guys, this is not for free, no? Because it almost cost me, you know, around almost $200 plus shipping and tax, and it will cost a lot for sure. Okay, and I will remove this, and for one more time I'm gonna show you our crown here with the Okeanos. Okay, this is our crown here. Yeah, very nice, very beautiful crown. Okay guys, I hope you do like our unboxing for this Oceanus watch for today, and do not forget to subscribe. So I have 2 more watches to unbox, and you should watch for it. And thank you so much for watching of our today's video unboxing this Filippo Loreti watch. See you on our next video guys. God bless you all. Bye bye.